Yes, Nomad Eddie, woken up this morning at 5:30. I'm still at Bocas del Toro, Panama. We're leaving today by boat, then by bus to Costa Rica. I had 3 days which I spent with an Austrian girl who lives in Panama, or lived in Panama City for 2 years. A coach, Terra Healing. Actually, on the beach yesterday, she did a Terra Healing session with me, and I did a kind of workshop on Ikigai with her to have a kind of trade between our knowledge. It was very special to see how someone from Europe moves to Panama City, and she's certainly not the only one. I mean, more found herself an online job and also a life in a completely different city, country. I moved with her from Panama City by bus to Bocas del Toro, which is on the Caribbean. Actually, you see it behind me. And she was looking for an apartment because she plans to spend here to live at least a year, mingle in the local community, and also do her online healing work. It was nice to be on the road with an introvert, an INFP. I'm an ENFP. So we discussed a lot the differences, and she's very glad that I'm leaving, so that she has, and that I will be replaced by a French guy, Baptiste, who's also an introvert. So she will be able to be more in a quiet environment after having spent 3 days with me. I really enjoyed Panama City, as I told you in the previous vlog, that I hope to be able to come here with students, because there is a lot to show on sustainability, on financials as well. Today I met a group of, well, actually last night, Dutch people doing a recycling project here on the island, not on Panama City, so it's really good. I will show you a few of the images of this wonderful environment, and then next time it will be Costa Rica, finally. So bye bye. All the way to Bocas. Yay! Oh, dance! Her new place!